Hey, do I have something to tell you?
Hello? Hello? Hello?
Blah, 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 blah. Yap, yap, yap.
Settle down.
Okay, guys, I am here to share with you a tutorial to help you solve a simple problem with your profile picture not showing up on your YouTube page or in the comments when you go into click on a YouTube channel. I've had this problem in the past, and there is a easy quick fix. If you've ever had this problem, please stick with this video because I'm going to show you how to do it. Okay, so if you've ever had the problem where you set up your Google account, you upload your profile picture, it shows up successfully, but when you go to log in, it doesn't show up. When you go to log in, it definitely doesn't show up here. Obviously, mine showed up successfully here. And of course, when you click into a YouTube channel, it does not show up in the comments. Only the initial. So what you do is you click on where your profile picture is supposed to be. You click into YouTube Studio, and of course, if it didn't show up when you logged in, it's not going to show up here either. Like I said, mine did show up successfully this time, but you will see the initial of your Google account here and here. So what you do is you go down to customization, and you go down to this area here where it says your profile picture will appear where your channel is presented on YouTube. Of course, if it's not showing up in this area here, it's not going to show up here either. So what you do is you click change, and you find the same picture that you used when you started your Google account, and you upload the picture here. Now, once you upload it here, you have to click publish. And once you publish it, it's going to show up here. Now, it still may not show up in this area here. So what you have to do, once you click publish over here, and it shows up here, then you go up to this section where it says reload current page or control R. It's the arrow that's in a circle, and you click on that, and then the picture will also show up here as well. And it's just as simple as that. If it doesn't work the first time, try it one more time. It definitely works. I've had this problem with setting up a Google account, and the profile picture showed up in the Google account, but it did not show up in this area here. And it didn't show up in the comments. So this is what I did, and it worked perfectly. That's going to be the end of this video. I hope this tutorial, I know it's quick, I hope it is helpful for you. And like I always say in my other videos, always, always, thank you for watching.
Thank you.